Navy beans are an excellent source of magnesium and vitamin B9. Both nutrients are beneficial to cardiovascular health, as they help prevent problems such as high blood pressure. Navy beans are a rich source of fiber, acts to prevent and combat constipation, preventing abdominal swelling caused by constipation. Navy beans fibers help with weight loss by promoting a prolonged feeling of satiety. They prevent overeating at the time of eating. Navy beans is rich in minerals as calcium and magnesium, protein, and may help in muscle and bones health. Navy beans is full in antioxidants, phytochemicals, and may protect cellular damage and boost immune system. Navy beans is packed with complex carbohydrates and fibers which may help control blood sugar levels, appetite control, and digestive health. Possible side effects. Beans can increase gas production, as it is a fermentative food, so people who have cramps and abdominal distension after eating beans are not allergic to this food. The symptoms are usually due to the phenolic compounds it has. Due to these compounds to be released in the water, it is advised that the beans should be soaked around 10 hours and the water to be changed before cooking it. So pay attention when preparing the beans before consuming them, and if you feel any symptoms different from those described above after consumption, consult a specialist. Excessive consumption may cause digestive symptoms as diarrhea and flatulence. Excessive consumption of lectins present in navy beans can cause food poisoning. Quantity recommendations. Navy beans are a legume, so its daily consumption is recommended, so my recommendation is half a tablespoon a day, considering the raw food, before you cook it. If possible, vary the legumes that you consume, then eat other types of beans, or eat peas, chickpeas, lentils, etc. I would recommend 1/2 to 1 cup daily of boiled navy beans to get all health benefits, including 5.7 grams of dietary fibers and protein to gut health and improve immune system function.